Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you're here, you're probably wondering how to get your driver's license quickly and hassle-free. Well, you are in the right place. Because today I am going to tell you about a revolutionary solution that will change the game. UK legal driving license. Now, I know this may sound too good to be true, but hold on tight, because what I'm about to reveal may surprise you. Imagine being able to get your driver's license in record time, without the usual hassles of the process. This is exactly what UK legal driving license offers. And today I am going to reveal the details. First, let's be clear. UK legal driving license offers an innovative approach to simplifying the process of obtaining a driving license. You choose the license category you need, and we take care of the rest. Don't want to take driving lessons? No problem. It's completely optional. The cost? Well, for just 25% of the total amount, you can start the process today. You hear correctly. Only 25%. You only pay the rest after you have checked your license in the DVLA database, and when it is ready to be delivered safely to your home. Now I know you are probably wondering how this is possible. Well, we have a strong partnership in place with DVLA, ensuring that every license is registered in accordance with road safety standards. The process is simple and transparent. Once you have made the initial transfer, we will send you the documents to complete so that we can begin the process. And guess what? Production takes only 5 to 7 business days, followed by fast 2-day delivery with trusted postal companies like DHL, UPS, FedEx, or other ways. I would like to emphasize that all our candidates go through a legal and standard process, which complies with the laws and regulations in force in many countries, including the United Kingdom. Road safety is a priority, and we ensure that each permit is obtained in accordance with the requirements and standards set by the relevant authorities. So, if you are tired of endless delays, unnecessary driving lessons, and administrative hassles, UK legal driving license is here to make your life easier. Stay with me to learn more details, testimonials from our satisfied customers, and the exclusive benefits you will get by choosing our service. Don't miss this opportunity to make your life on the road easier. Subscribe, like the video, and find out how UK legal driving license can help you get your driving license quickly and easily. Let's go.